Good morning, students. Today I explain how the static method can call only the static methods. It cannot call non-static methods. So you know what is static method? Static method or static variable means if a method or variable preceded by the keyword static, it is called as the static method or static member. And also you know that static members can be accessed through the class name and also through the object, but non-static members cannot be accessed through the class name, can be accessed through object only. Okay, so those things we have already discussed in the previous classes. Now let us see one example program how the static method can call only the static methods. It cannot call non-static methods. Look at the example program. So this is the program. Here example is the class. This class contains two methods, average and total methods. Both the methods are non-static methods. And the main class, name of the main class is statium. And in the main method, an object is created for the above class. And through the object, the method average is called. And in the average method, we are calling the total method. And the total method returns the value total, and by using that value and the average is calculated, so it returns to the average value is returned to the main method using the return statement. So in the main method we are displaying the result. Okay, so understand here the two methods are non-static methods. So if it is the non-static method, so a non-static method can call any other non-static method, that is method nesting of methods. Nesting of methods. Nesting of methods means a method can call another method in the same class. Okay. Here average method calls the total method. Okay. Now I am declaring this function as the static. Average function as the static using the keyword. Now I have written the keyword static before the return type of the function int. Now this function is termed as the static method. Now this is the static method. It is not non-static method. Okay. And the total method, here it is not preceded by the keyword static. So it is the non-static method. It is normal method. Okay. So here the static method average, this is calling the non-static method total. Okay. A static method is calling the non-static method. And in the main method, as usually you have created the object. Through the object you are calling the static method. So static method, we can access the static method either through the object or through the class name. Here you can write just the object name E, or you can write the class name example. Either through the object or through the class name you can access the static method. Okay. Here in place of E you can write the example also. Okay. So now let us see the output of this program. First save the program and check the output. So the program is compiled. So after the compilation, there is one error. What is the error? Look at the error. Error is a non-static method total cannot be referenced from a static context. Here total is the non-static method. It is the non-static method. It cannot be referenced. It cannot be called from a static method. That is the error. So here in this program, total is the non-static. So it cannot be called from the static method average. That is the error. That is, you should understand that a static method can call only the static method. A static method cannot call the non-static methods. Okay. Okay. I am modifying this program. So both the methods are declared as static. I am declaring total function also static. Now both the methods are static. Now see the output. So compilation. So error static. So no errors. The output is 92. The average of the student is 92. So here both the methods are declared as static. Both the methods are declared as static. So static method can call the other static method. Okay. Now I am removing the keyword static to the average function. Now the average function becomes the non-static method. Now in this program, a non-static method is calling the static method. Okay. Now verify the output. Compilation. So it is compiled, no errors, and the output. We got 92. It is the average of the student. So here a non-static method can call the static method. A static method can call the static methods, but a static method cannot call the non-static methods. Static method calls only the static methods, but a non-static method can call both the static methods and non-static methods. Okay, so that is the difference between static methods and non-static methods. Okay. So